Hi everyone! Today we will learn daily life English sentence. Stay with me till the end of the video. Let's start!
I wake up and get ready for work. I wake up and get ready for work. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I dry my hair. I dry my hair.
I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink my coffee. I drink my coffee. I check the weather. I check the weather. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I grab my keys. I grab my keys. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I clean my room. I clean my room. I rest for a while. Rest for a while.
I eat dinner with my family. I eat dinner with my family. I cook dinner. I cook dinner.
I do the laundry. I do the laundry.
I call my mother. I call my mother.
I attend a meeting. I attend a meeting.
I take out the trash. I take out the trash.
I buy a coffee on the way. I buy a coffee on the way.
I vacuum the living room. I vacuum the living room. I organize my desk. I organize my desk.
I take my vitamins. I take my vitamins.
I apply sunscreen. I apply sunscreen.
I put on my jacket. I put on my jacket. I take the elevator. I take the elevator.
I fill up the gas tank. I fill up the gas tank. I come home late. I brush my dog. I brush my dog.
I put on my makeup. I put on my makeup.
I take out the recycling. I take out the recycling. I feed the fish. I feed the fish. I go grocery shopping. I go grocery shopping.
I walk up the stairs. Walk up the stairs. I do the dishes after lunch. I do the dishes after lunch. I sign a document. I sign a document.
I print some documents. I print some documents.
I submit my report. I submit my report.
I feed the birds. I feed the birds.
I attend a video call. I attend a video call.
I check the calendar. I check the calendar.
I cross items off my list. I cross items off my list.
I tidy the living room. The living room.
I change the bed sheets. I change the bed sheets.
I dust the shelves. I dust the shelves.